Miss Capri started having her puppies. We've so far had one little red merle male. He is a handsome fella. Really beautiful markings. So she'll do a lot of cleaning him. You can see the umbilical cord here. You can see that he's a little boy. He's got beautiful markings. And Capri is a really good mama. She looks like she's being rough, but I assure you that is totally normal. She'll clean herself up a little bit as well. And we'll wait for puppy number 2. Could be anywhere from any time to 2 hours. Here we go. She's actively having contractions, and we have a puppy almost out. We'll let her... We're going to look at the time while she works on that. Puppy number 2 came at 2:46, 15 minutes later. Oh, we just had another blue merle male. Starting to come quickly. We get 3 healthy boys so far. Let's see what's next. So you can kind of see right now, the puppies are all nursing. Capri is actively pushing. Yes, it is messy back here. However, that's totally normal. Just actively having pushes. We're with her. She's in no more distress than she would be just having a baby. So everything's fine. She's relaxed, happy. Her babies are very well adjusted. She's being a good mama. You can still feel a baby right here, so I don't know if there's one in the birth canal yet or not. There's another push. I'm gonna play a game of what color we think this one will look like. Oh, here it comes. Here we go. Here it comes. Oh, wow. Bum first. A black tribe baby. Big baby, too. Break the sack, get his little head out. There you go, baby. There we go. Okay. Okay, baby number 4 is out. Everyone's latched on and drinking. Again, this mess is totally normal. And we will change it momentarily. But the heating pad is underneath here. Right there. So everybody is warm. Despite the wet. There you go. Oh boy. Another.
I have 5.
We had 8. We're an overachiever, but there are 8 little babies.